Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel and Radha online classes. Today I am going to take class 6 and today we will do some question that is related with area. Okay, so let's start with me. Before that I would like to say subscribe my channel, that is Radha online classes, if you have not subscribed. Okay, let's come to question number 1 of 10.3. The question is, find the area of rectangle whose sides are. Now here we are having its 4 parts and I have made the rectangle for you. The first one rectangle is given here and 2 sides are given. Whose sides is written. Now the bigger side we are taking the length and the smaller we are taking its breadth. Okay, see what is written here. It is written 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So you just write here what? 4 centimeter and here is 3 centimeter. Always draw the figure with the question. Okay. Now see. The first one is 3 centimeter. Okay. What is the length? Length is equal to, write down. What is the length? Length is 4 centimeter. And what is the breadth? That is 3 centimeter. Right. Now what is the area? So you have to write the formula. Area of rectangle. That is equal to what? Length into breadth. Right. Now what is the length? See, what is the length? This is 4 centimeter into what is the breadth? That is 3 centimeter. That will be equal to what? That will be equal to, here, this is equal to what? 12 centimeter. Now you can see here 1 centimeter and here 1 centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter, 2 times when centimeter is there, that becomes square centimeter. You can write it in this way, square centimeter, or you can write 12 centimeter square. That means centimeter into centimeter. You have to multiply this as well as its unit will also get multiplied, and here will be centimeter square. So keep in mind this thing, because the children just forget to put the unit. So unit is most important thing. आप अगर unit नहीं लिखेंगे, इसके square नहीं लगाएंगे, that is the wrong answer. Yes, that is considered wrong. So length into breadth करेंगे, the number will be multiplied as well as unit will get multiplied. So here is your second part, that is 12 meter and 21 meter. One more thing is important. अगर दोनों ही same unit है, then no problem. You can see in the D part they have given 1 meter and another one is centimeter. So here we have to convert meter into centimeter या फिर centimeter को meter में change करेंगे, same unit बनाएंगे. Okay. See the second one part, that is 12 meter and 21 meter. So what is the length? See, what is the length? We have taken the length, the bigger that number, that is 21 meter. So what is the length? Length is equal to 21 meter. And what is the breadth? Breadth we have taken as 12 meter. Right? What is the area? Always you have to write the formula. That is area of rectangle is equal to L into B. That is equal to 21 meter into 12 meter. Now you just do multiplication of this, that you will get 21 into 12. Here 2 and 4 and this is 1 and 2. So it will be 252 meter square or square meter. Whatever you want to write, you can. Both are correct ways to write. Okay, in square meter, as you have written square centimeter, you can write here square meter. Okay, let's come to its C part, that is C part is, children, here is your C part, that is 2 kilometer and 3 kilometer. That means your length is what? Length is 3 kilometer I have taken and breadth I have taken 2 kilometer. Right? What is the area? Area of rectangle. You know what is the area of rectangle? L into B. So what is your L? See, your L is 3 kilometer and into करेंगे हम 2 kilometer, that is the breadth, 2 kilometer, that will be equal to 3 2s are 6 and kilometer into kilometer is square kilometer, or you can write kilometer square. Anything you can write. Let's come to its D part, that is See, now here we are having L is equal to what? 2 meter. 2 meter and this is given in centimeter. So firstly what you have to do, you have to change meter into centimeter. You know 1 meter equals to, आपको पता होना चाहिए, 1 meter is equal to कितना होता है? 100 centimeter. That means 2 meter equals to what? Yes, this is 200 centimeter. Now the breadth is given how much? 70 centimeter, right? Now what is the area? See, area of rectangle, that will be equal to length into breadth. हो गया? Then see what is the length? Length is what? 200 centimeter into what? Breadth is 70 centimeter. Now see children, 2 sevens are 14 होता है. I have written 14. Now count the 0, 1, 2 and 3 0. So put 3 0 after that. Okay, and square centimeter. So children, in this way we have completed our first question. मिलते हैं अपनी next video में with the next new questions. Till then, goodbye. Subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.